Hi, I'm Guy, and I want to talk about how you contact a website owner, why you would contact a website owner to remove content from their website. Maybe it'll take a minute. I got to get started on the Google document that's located at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com so you can see what I'm saying. Hi, so I've got the Google document open. You can see it there if you're on YouTube. The subject at hand is contacting a website owner to remove content. Well, that happens, at least for me, it happened when I could find some personal information, phone numbers, addresses, places where I lived, some places where I didn't live. I found one address I'd never have ever been to. And so I found out you could ask Google to remove content. And when they did, they sent me an email explaining that even though it was out of Google search, it would still appear on that guy's website or that team's website, whoever built it, and you needed to contact them in order to get that removed totally. So I've got the link in the Google document on how to request information from Google to get personal information removed. It's part of their policy now. And I've also got the link in there on how to ask other website owners if they would please remove the content that you find to be just too much stuff.
Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.